Okay, so there was some disturbance. So let's come from batches to stores, because all the previous whatever tests are there, or whatever is there, there it will be in store. In store, this is what you, if you have to, you have to purchase it. And many people see that it's 800 rupees, 200 rupees. So they think that there is not much inside, like maybe like 100 MCQs or 200 MCQs, and they will just, even if they purchase also, they do uh, only that much of content correction. So this is very important. There are two very big courses in the store. One is for medicine, another is for cardiology, because it was primarily started with a cardiology app. So I will go through medicine first. See, medicine is for PGI, JIPMER, Shichitra, whatever the toughest possible medicine exams, you can answer them and you can crack them with this content. The only issue is that when once you come inside and see this, for 800 rupees you feel that there is no much test will be there, and this will be really minimal. But when once you go into all this, there are all specialties are present. And once you get into one specialty, this is the Harrison based cardiology. So you will get all the tests, like all the chapters have the tests, and there are 28 chapters in Harrison's cardiology, and all the chapters have like multiple, there are about maybe 20, 30, or even 40, 50, 60 questions will be there in each chapter. You have to go through all the chapters, you have to solve all the questions. See, this one valve diseases has around mm, how many questions plus, this has around more than 120. Okay, there are 116 questions in just valvular heart disease chapter. There are about 28 tests like that. You just don't memorize that this is what is the content it has. The one test has around 120 question MCQs, and then you are not you will not open these things only. You just see that there are tests. I will answer them at just before the exams. All those things will not happen. This is actually the textbook in a MCQ format. If you go through it, it will be absolutely important, and if you go through it slowly, it will have a very much long lasting effect. And after that, you have also NEET SS. It is was the previous year. This year it has been uploaded to Cardiology for Central Institute, that is a separate cardiology course. So here you have around 9 mock tests, you have cardiology imaging MCQs, and you have mock tests and pediatric cardiology also. And then is the previous NEET SS question paper, that is also that is present even in study section also. You can go through previous NEET SS question papers, and all these are all are inside only NEET SS based Harrison cardiology. That is one part of the medicine for NEET SS. Similarly, you have for oncology, you have for the oncology Harrison based tests are there. Similarly, hematology, there are NEET SS previous questions papers are there, and then is the hematology part of the Harrison is there. Then is general medicine part. This is very important. People think that the general medicine part, the whole thing is general medicine. It is not the whole thing general medicine. Every specialty of the Harrison is put separately, and general medicine is the symptomatology part of the general medicine. You can see that general medicine has around 9 tests, all the general medicine symptomatology part. This is very important. Many don't focus on this. That's why I always stress on the test per medicine for NEET SS exam. They have to take it. For infectious disease, there are like tests are there, 8 tests. Then the COVID test is there. There are mock tests which are very important, like all are imaging, and questions are there. You actually, what happens, nobody goes into this much depth. They don't solve all the questions. I have seen everyone's how they solve and all. They don't solve these things, and they feel that they are not attempted everything, and just before exam about 15 days back they start these things, and they feel that there is plenty of questions. I have not solved many of them. Many a times this happens, but truly, even after solving about half and 50 to 70%, many have got a very good rank in the previous year. Similarly, the pulmonary medicine and rheumatology both are put together, and it is not been divided actually. In pulmonary medicine, yes, NEET tests, mock tests are there. Previous, all these are previous years. If the present year, you have to go for the separate course. That I will tell you is this one. Rheumatology, then is the gastro. These are all Harrison based. NEET SS is previous years questions. So gastroenterology, endocrinology, nephrology, but these are all Harrison based. Then is the medicine previous years question papers you have. You can go through them, and then is the uh, medicine weekend test. This is very important. Till now there are 15 weekend tests happened. After that, what happened, people wanted to ask that there is a miscellaneous miscellaneous part of the Harrison which is present in the last few chapters. So I am focusing on them now recently. That is nicotine addiction, heavy metal poisoning, altitudinous, hypothermia. These are all, this is an expanding portion of the Harrison medicine. So this is the now weekend tests are uploaded here. So in medicine weekend test, the all the previous weekend tests will be uploaded to medicine for NEET tests. You are just preparing for medicine with Harrison as the backup. You have to take this medicine for NEET tests course. This costs only 800, but I should not tell, but if you go for any of the other marketing speed or any of the other which have a very good marketing backup, they would sell this for about 20 to 25,000 surely. Please do go get the benefit of this one. And then is the cardiology for Central Institute. I know the, if you are preparing for cardiology, this is the one dead end, and then is the another one is the Harrison based cardiology that I showed just before. This is the dead end. I don't want to tell you, but just go through it. Braunwald based MCQs are there inside. Cardiology notes is there, very important cardiology notes. You have to go through this cardiology notes for a very good uh, focus on the Braunwald on cardiology. And then is too much of congenital heart disease is there, spotters are there, previous exams are there, weekend tests. Now the recent weekend test, whatever is happening is being uploaded to cardiology for Central Institute course. Then is the MCQ based on guidelines, whatever the cardiology students wanted, or cardiology doctor, the MD medicine or MD pediatrics doctors wanted to get in cardiology. I have already uploaded everything. So it's left to you that you have to read it. Many a times what happens, people don't read these things. The doctors, they go for other formats, and I don't know why this is not being used for the fullest. But whatever the toppers have told me, that this is enough. Whatever the app has is more than enough to get a very good rank in any of the specialties. Because even previous years Sri Chitra neurology toppers have told me that this is wonderfully framed. And this is what is the difference. Many do ask that there are specialty courses have been separately uploaded as 200 rupees. You can see that there is a 200 rupees for all specialty courses. What is the content of these specialty courses is that the first three are same. The PDF test and NEET SS mock test, till here whatever is there in the NEET SS this medicine for NEET SS course is same. But after that, what happens is the weekend test. You can see that weekend tests are reference based. The whatever the weekend tests I am being uploading in the batches, or will be uploaded in the on Monday to this courses. And in here you can attempt n number of times, you can attempt any number of times, and this will be a reference book based. Whatever the NEET SS was there, medicine for NEET SS, it's purely Harrison based. Whatever the courses, specialty courses are there for 200 rupees, they have a weekend test, and this weekend test will be uploaded here. It will be a reference book based. You can see that William Principles of Cardiology, Endocrinology, whatever this there, the referral. Another alternate question will be from pediatrics. This is what is very important. If you are going to get into, like, you want to purchase something in the in the stores, then you have to go for the medicine for NEET SS if you are preparing for any of the specialties. And then for the cardiology, if you are cardiology for Central Institute, if you want cardiology, preparing for cardiology, go for medicine for NEET SS for cardiology for Central Institute. It will cost you 1600, but absolutely will get a absolutely very good rank without banging into any of the other institutional substitutes. But if you are planning for a specialty, whatever the specialty, if you are planning for a nephrology is only for 100 rupees. You get a medicine for NEET SS course about 800 rupees, and then get the nephrology 100 rupees, about 900 rupees. If you are planning for any other specialty, 800 plus 200 is what's worth for, and you will obviously get a very good rank without going through any of the other substitute like marketing, like speed, or other substitute cardiology institutes which they call as. But left is all left to you. This is about the this is all we can get for the specialties, all specialties except cardiology. First go for chat, then go for batches, then go for store. Whatever you want, you get it. Maximum is 1000 rupees. You are going to buy everything what you want. For cardiology, we have another thing. For on the upper corner, left corner, you just slide there, you will get a study material. You have a lot of this, like guidelines, PPTs, clinical cardiology, trials, everything is there for cardiology. And upon that, if you go to the video section, there are like basics, very important. Many don't understand basics of ECG. The basics of ECG is there in normal ECG today, ECG electro abnormalities. Then is basic of chest X-ray is there. Then very important is basics of echo is there. You have everything from probe positioning to the congenital heart disease. You have echo basics. Please go through these videos. They are all good format. Like they may be not to that of the institutional level, but what is there is very important, and you can easily go through them. Okay, this is what the
So protocol wise, if the pulmonary hypertension is suspected, you get a PR velocity.
Tell you so.
Actually dysfunction.
So please go through this app. This app is wonderful for cardiology practicing, or cardiology preparing, even for cardiology practicing, because we have cardiology for cardiology question bank is there, which is very helpful for cardiology students who are preparing for final year. I have given even procedures like how to do angiogram, how to do and all. This is for the final year going students of cardiology. But then it is for mainly for the cardiology, and you have a lot to this app is enough for cardiology. But for specialties also, I because of the interest of other students, I have done everything possible for the specialties also. Please go through this app, and please to share this app with others, because there you can see that there are around all the batches, there are around 3,340, that is around 3,500 students in all the batches, but hardly about 60 to 70, and in cardiology hardly about 100 students attempt weekend test. That's a little bothering for me, because I do have a lot of effort putting on this thing, because just for the sake of the students, not to gain any money from that, because in 800 rupees I don't get, because for a single patient when I'm practicing for cardiology, I do get about 500 rupees, and for a single angioplasty I do get about 10,000 rupees. So this is purely for the effort is being put, because of the for the students benefit, for the doctors benefit, not the student. You are all my colleagues, so the doctors benefit. So please to share this with all your colleagues. They let them all have the basic facility, basic knowledge, basic MCQ competition among yourself, and then you can go for higher all institutional batches or modules you want. Please do share with this with everyone, please. Thank you.